Amazing. A mile-wide asteroid with its own mini-moon in tow will pass our planet, this weekend. This is on Daily Mail. It's a binary asteroid system, and it's called 1999 KW4. It will make the closest approach May 25th. At the time, it will be 13.5 lunar distances away, or about 3 million miles from Earth. The system contains asteroid measuring a mile wide, so that's pretty big, and a smaller one orbiting it. This is by Cheyenne MacDonald, Daily Mail. The asteroid binary first spotted 20 years ago, so it's no surprise, and it's set for another close encounter with Earth this week. The European Space Agency, ESA, was tracking this pair, known as 1999 KW4, and it says it's steadily getting brighter as it nears our planet ahead of May 25th. Although it's classified as potentially hazardous, 1999 KW4 is expected to breeze by safely. At its closest, the object will be about 3 million miles from Earth, or 13.5 times the distance to our moon. Asteroid 1999 KW4 is not one, but it's two objects consisting of the larger rock, the asteroid measuring about 1.3 kilometers, it's almost a mile, and a small companion orbiting it. ESA shared fuzzy looking at the asteroid pair this week ahead of its close approach, and the agency said, in collaboration with Observatoire de Max in the French island La Réunion, captured the first ground-based observation of 1999 KW4 just recently as part of the ongoing IAWN observing campaign. And they'll have all hands on deck for the upcoming encounter, and the goal is to put observatories and telescopes to the test to become aware what kind of information can be collected on very short notice in case of a future close approach of a possibly threatening asteroid to Earth. Dozens of telescopes will tune in to gather observations of this. Asteroid 1999 KW4, discovered May 20th, 1999, by the Linear collaboration using the Goldstone Arecibo observatories. It orbits the Sun about every 186 days on an elliptical path. The objects come relatively close to Earth several times in the last century, and they'll get even closer with its next approach, May 2036. Well, another asteroid coming around 2035 is Bennu. It's actually not an asteroid, it's a small planet, they say. And before that, we have Apophis coming in Friday, April 13th in the year 2029. Just 10 years. Now, it's expected to be within, this one is expected to be within 1,500,000 miles away. Past observations reveal asteroid 1999 KW4 is much like an oddly shaped rubble pile. This is according to Las Cumbres Observatory. The main body, the bigger part of it, of 1999 KW4, is about 1,300 meters across, but it's actually quite a complex shape, according to what the researchers tell us. It's slightly squashed at the poles and with a mountain ridge around the equator, which runs all the way around the asteroid, according to the observatory. The ridge gives the primary an appearance similar to what a walnut or a spinning top would look like, and the secondary is about smaller one, about half the size, or third the size, 500 meters across, and the two asteroids orbit each other every 17.5 hours at a distance of about 1.6 miles. Now, how is it that they don't crash into each other? I have no idea, but anyway, that's how they're coming in towards our area. Anyway, the upcoming approach will provide even more insight into how it behaves, which will provide useful upcoming missions support by NASA Planetary Defense Coordination Office that aim to study similar systems. For planetary defense, of course. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.